Okay, so I did film an original intro to this video, but I realized that the other products really didn't matter as much as this, because when I got to this, oh my gosh, I got some things to say. So I'm just gonna, this is my new intro, so if you want to see what I think about this and if it's worth it or not, stick around. So this is just my face, this is the look, the eye look. So yeah. I brought you guys closer so you can see the highlighter. Being fun. I'm excited. So I'm gonna try one side with this brush, and then the other side I'm gonna try it with this brush on the other side. I want to try the icing one first because I've been, whoa. So I just wanted this. Can't see what happened, but hella shit came off. Alright, let's apply that. Ooh, you see that shine? She cute. Let me turn this light off. So in the pan it looks like kind of like a beigey color, but then there's, you know, it's obviously highlighted, it's white. But on the skin it has a reflect of like pink. I know you can see that, I can see it. It's cute, I like it. Okay, now this side I'm gonna try a different color. Let's do Cavity Frost. Wow, oh my god, you guys, I was literally looking for a highlighter like this, like fucking blinding, like bitch. Oh damn, I love it. Oh my god, look how it just reflects off the skin. I really like it. Now I'm gonna clean this brush off, and I'm just gonna use the other two shades on my nose, and then maybe up here somewhere, because I do want to try all the colors. So on my nose, I'm gonna go ahead and go with Rose Gold. So I don't want this red one on my chin, on my nose. So. So Rose Gold is looking kind of pink. Do you see that on my nose? Cute. All right, I'm gonna clean the brush off, and then I'm gonna put Frozen Prick. Let's see, let's just put her up here. You can kind of see it. Wow, Candy Frost and Icing IV alone just makes this palette really worth it. So this is Icing IV. This is Candy Frost. My God, I'm in love with this one. Because this one came out kind of pinky and this one came out white. And that's the opposite. So this one came out pinky, this one came out white. I love this one because I was looking for like a white, just a blinding highlighter. I'm gonna put more on. I love highlighter. Oh, beach. Oh my God, do you see that? This that bitch. This that bitch. Just kidding. But so yeah, I'll put how much this is if you do want to end up getting it. I think just these two alone are like gonna be your main go-tos, and then these are more for fun. This one coming out pink was kind of weird to me, so I guess if I need a pink, because this one's more pink than this one, I think. So if I need a pink one, I'll just go for this one. This one swatched orange on my arm. I can't really see it on my forehead. It's like right here. But maybe if I put it on the cheek, you would be able to see it better. All right. Now I'm just going to go ahead and apply one of these two liquid lips that I got. Whoa. Smells good. Be careful when you put it on though, because she came out swinging. Wow, do you see that? It looks almost like an ombre. Okay, next girl. If you don't get lipstick on your teeth, are you even putting lipstick on? Yeah. Look, you can fucking see that highlighter. Cut the cameras.
Deadass.
So obviously the fucking highlight palette is a fucking bob. This shit is the bomb. Look at that. Hi, do you want to get blind tonight? This side I love it, and then we did here and also up here, just for a recap. But yeah, if you guys are contemplating on getting this palette, don't, because these two shades alone, let me show you again, are very much worth it. The other two I'm gonna have, the other two is when I'm gonna put them here. But for now, I like it. But thanks for watching, and yeah, this is a fucking bob. Get it if you want it, okay?